Good morning and welcome to the Forex Daily Update, brought to you by Pepperstone on Tuesday the 28th of November 2017. I'm Darren Sinden and you can follow me throughout the day on Twitter by using @ds_Pepperstone. Right, let's take a look at overnight changes, price moves to be aware of. Not too many moves yesterday, just a couple of things I'll flag. The New Zealand dollar rallying somewhat, finding a base, so a gain of 0.43% against the US dollar. A similar size move in US dollar Korean won yesterday. And as we're approaching the end of the month, I thought I'd flag some significant changes there. First of all, the euro has gained around 2.58% over the month against the US dollar. Similarly, the Japanese yen up around 2.23% against the greenback. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is trading at $9,850 a coin, moving ever closer to that psychologically important $10,000 a coin level. Chart of the day today, I thought we'd look at what I've termed the balance of power in Asia. I've drawn a plot here of Asian dollar index, the trade-weighted basket of Asian currencies in green, against the renminbi yuan and US dollar pair here in blue. Divergence obviously between the two, the yuan strengthening somewhat, but the long-term appreciation of the Asian dollar index continued apace. We might now be looking at some kind of turning point in those two, an inflection point if you will, something to keep an eye on going forward. Right, what's on the calendar? Events that may move the markets today. A bit light on data, but plenty of central bank action. Starting at 7 o'clock with the release of the UK's bank stress test results, followed then by the Bank of England's financial stability report, the state of play in the UK financial markets from the Bank of England, and then Mark Carney, the Bank of England's governor, speaking on the same at 7:30. Fast forward to this afternoon, and at 14:50 we will hear from the FOMC member Powell. Then at the same time the Fed's William Dudley will be speaking, and an hour later the FOMC member Harker will get to their feet to speak, and at 16:15 the Bank of Canada's Powell, the governor of the Bank of Canada, speaking also. We'll also hear from politicians in the US. Treasury Secretary Mnuchin will be speaking at 20:45 GMT, and if you're still in the market at 10 to 12 tonight, you can see Japan retail sales data for October. Right, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye overnight. First of all, Chinese equities are weaker once more, and Hong Kong listed stocks are also lower. I think it's important that we keep an eye on what happens in these Asian equity markets. It could be a barometer for change. Crude prices are modestly down as well in Asian trade ahead of the Opec meeting in Vienna. The OECD, the Organisation for Economic Cooperation and Development, will update its biannual economic outlook today. In June, it saw improvements in global growth but warned against complacency. And Fed nominee Jerome Powell will appear today before the powerful Senate Banking Committee in Washington, D.C. Effectively, this is his approval hearing. Right, food for thought, something to take away with you into the trading day. And we're turning to Bitcoin again. As Bitcoin grows in popularity and price, it's making its mark in less desirable ways as well, such as energy consumption. And the chart here shows you a comparative, the amount of electricity used to mine Bitcoin compared to electricity consumption globally. The countries in yellow are those that use less electricity on an annual basis than is used to mine Bitcoin. Please take a moment to read the risk warning. Trading CFDs and foreign exchange on margin can be a risky business. If you're in any doubt about those risks, then please do contact your Pepperstone account representative. Thank you for your time.